Okay, so we've got a mini muffin sitting on that rock, and we're waiting for that bird to realize, oh hey, there's food over here. But so far it's proving to be more aggravation than anything. Ah, there's the bird. Come on, bird. You're being so inconsiderate. Look at that. We put out our food for you. And you don't even care. Oh, don't you dare. Oh. Forget you then. Alright, we're gonna move the muffin to a different rock. Actually, maybe 2 rocks since I broke it in half. But we're probably gonna put one over there and put one over there, just in case.
I dare you to try and get one out on the log.
Which log? Dude, I'm not chucking it out on a log, alright?
I didn't say to check it.
So I'm gonna give the camera to Cara.
Nice.
Oh god.
Hey.
I can only imagine what you're gonna do with it.
Don't be a meanie head.
I'm not being a meanie head. I'm the one that's trying to be nice and feed the bird, so. Anyway. One muffin. There's that one. And the other half of the muffin will go over here. Maybe out there. I haven't decided yet.
What you've got to realize, it's like 7 in the morning. Jamie's nuts. Easily entertained.
Okay.
I'm going to give it back to Jamie now, KK.
Oh god. Alright, so, in case you couldn't tell, where'd it go?
I don't know.
Which rock did I put it on?
It's right by the yellow stuff.
So it's over there.
Well, I see it.
Oh, there it is. It's behind it's behind the grass.
Yeah.
And then the other one is over there on that rock. So now is a waiting game to see if any bird comes back.
I bet the only albatross in Kansas is going to come over here.
Then we'll just take our whole box of donuts here and all of our other mini muffins. Yeah. Oh god, not the Ready Whip. Anything. Yeah. For some reason, we felt the need to buy, Cool Whip at, 6:30 in the morning.
I was
Why
curious.
Not? As we haven't opened it yet, as you can tell. But yeah.
It's going to be fun.
It should be a good time, really. If the, birds will come back. I should have started throwing little pieces in the water, see if any fish come up. Airfish, it's some blueberries for you. You need a good breakfast. Fish.
Oh, there's someone walking.
There's someone walking? Oh, creep on him. See if I can get it zoomed way in over there. That's as far as it goes. Dang.
Oh. Can they even see the person?
If I can find them first. Oh, over there on that trail. So, not really.
Oh,
you can see something moving, but yeah.
Well, that's a person.
Check it out. It's a person, dude. That's crazy. I never heard of a person, man.
Oh my god, it's like the Yeti.
Oh, dude. Okay, we're gonna sit you on my orange juice. As long as Cara doesn't laugh too much and knock you off.
Oh, whatever.
Well, you're sitting here shaking the table.
You're mean.
I'm not mean.
You're very mean.
I'm not mean. Woo, it's pretty out today. Look at all the prettiness. Too bad it's, stupid early o'clock, so.
And it's freaking cold, too.
It's not that. I mean, we can go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have another muffin while we wait.
Okay.
Muffin!
Your vision is now filled with muffiny goodness.
Muffiny goodness.
Reminds me of Gary.
What? Oh! Ha ha ha! Yeah.
Realization caught on camera.
Yeah. Ah! Naked muffin! Okay. Guys, I need sleep. Oh.
Other people on Facebook are gonna be like, really?
Oh God, I know. Gary's gonna be like, yeah, why? Hi. Dude, that blueberry's like all red and stuff.
Nice.
Well, it's more purple, but you know what I mean.
I smell what you're stepping in.
Mutilated muffin! Alright. Nom nom.
You know what he's doing?
I don't know.
He/she, I can't tell from here.
It's a dude. I think he's... I don't know, actually. Let's watch.
This is so interesting.
I know.
It's like a documentary. Oh,
I
he's
know.
got all the birds. What the Look at all those birds on that pier. Oh, there they go.
Our muffins are still there. Anyway. What is he doing?
What's that? He's jumping out.
Oh God, a fish! And I missed it.
A fish here at the lake?
Whoa!
Who would have heard of it?
Woo! So a bird just flew by. And landed in the tree behind us. Wrong direction, bird. I wonder.
Oh, what the fuck? I have another helmet. Oh, nope.
Oh.
What just happened?
I might throw some little crumbs in the water.
Okay,
See what happens.
entertain yourself.
Shh. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
Jamie, judgment has already passed. Can you see Jamie? Okay, good. Just don't let a shark come eat you, okay? Yeah. You probably can't hear a word she's saying, but
3 for the fish, 1 for me.
it's pretty epic. And here's the Jamie in her natural habitat.
Fish! I saw the fish!
Oh, they didn't even catch that, I don't think.
Oh well. He didn't need to catch that. Because it was just me going. Whatever. Just gonna walk in a circle. How's that sound?
I don't know.
There's a can of 4 Loco in here.
Of what?
4 Loco.
Okay.
Alcoholic energy drink, basically.
Oh, Jamie.
Not legal anymore.
Shows you what Kansans do.
Kansas, man. What else is there to do? Okay. So that was awesome.
Okay, I'm taking you off the juice now. Woo!
Okay.
How do you zoom? Just the zoom button? We've got like 10 minutes of nothing on here.
10 minutes of awesome. Apparently, the fish and the birds are too good for our muffins. So, forget this.
Okay.
So yeah, this is us. Oh, come on, Cara.
I'm not looking. They don't don't need to see my face.
Fine.
You're very mean.
That was a lovely face. But anyway, like we said, 10 minutes of, mostly nothing. So if you made it this long, congratulations. You get a gold star next time I see you. And we'll end with a lovely shot of my orange juice.